Hello guys, I'll be teaching on how to identify do fa sol chord on key G, neck of guitar. A chord is a group of notes which sound at the same time. On this key G, the do chord is G major, which is the root. Here is the finger placement for G major, neck of guitar. My third finger on the sixth string of the third fret. My second finger on the second fret of the fifth string. My fourth finger on the third fret of the first string. Have a look at this, the finger placement for G major, neck of guitar, to be played as do on key G, neck of guitar. Okay, let's go to the fa chord now. On this key G, neck of guitar, C major is to be played as fa chord. Here is the finger placement for C major, neck of guitar. My third finger on the third fret of the fifth string. My second finger on the second fret of the D string. My first finger on the first fret of the B string. Here is the finger placement for C major, neck of guitar. To be played as fa chord. Okay, let's proceed to the sol chord. On this key G, neck of guitar, D major is to be played as sol chord. Here is the finger placement for D major, neck of guitar. The fourth string, 1, 2, 3, 4, is to be played open. Then my first finger on the second fret of the G string. Then my second finger on the first fret on the, here's my second finger, on the second fret of the first string. Then my third finger on the third fret of the B string. Here's the finger placement for D major, neck of guitar, to be played as sol chord on key G, neck of guitar, or this other way around. I feel more comfortable placing my finger this way because of the D dominant 7. This is D major, this is D dominant 7. I feel comfortable. Okay, or this other way around, my second finger on the second fret of the G string. my third finger on the second fret of the first string. My fourth finger on the third fret of the B string. The open string remain. Please take note, on this D major, these two strings are not played. The fifth string and the sixth string are not played on this D major neck of guitar. Okay, have a look at this. Very good. Now this is your assignment. As a guitarist, make sure you don't grow fingernails. Make sure you don't grow fingernails. Always cut your fingernails. Okay, this is your number one assignment. You have to do this. As a beginner, you stretch your hand. Again, 3 times. Then you go to the Fa chord and do the same thing. Make use of the tip of your finger. Make use of the tip of your finger. Okay, then you now go to the D major, which is the So chord, and do the same thing. Don't forget, D major, you have to pick this from the 4th string here. Okay, you do the same thing. Don't forget this 4th string here, from the 4th string down for D major. Don't forget, take note. Okay, now number 2 assignment, you have to do this. Please take note. You have to play Do first, then Fa, then back to Do, then So. Then you start working on the timing. Okay, number 2 assignment, take note. You have to play Do, Fa, So as many times as possible before you start working on the timing. Okay, number 3 assignment, you have to play Do, Fa, Sol, Fa as many times as possible. Do, Fa, then Sol, Fa as many times as possible before you start working on the timing. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day.